Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura WE8 espresso machine. Now this machine was brought to us because it had error 2. This one that you see right here, this is the temperature sensor of the thermoblock. The one is located right here. It was malfunctioning and it was not detecting the temperature of the thermoblock itself. So we had to replace that. Once we did that, the machine was working fine and we were able to use the steamer one as well as the hot spouts. Now we do not have the tray of this machine, so it's been very difficult to work with this precise model because we had to like trick it out like this. In order to have the machine working. So starting with one meal portion, we're gonna be testing this side. Then we're gonna be doing an espresso shot. Then come test the spouts. As you can see, steam comes out through there. Working fine. As you can see, we have a nice steady flow coming out through the spouts. No error 2 or anything like that. And there you have it, Jura WE8 working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.